Cough and cold are common chronic conditions that people throughout the world suffer from. And it must not be ignored at all, as it could result in serious congestion or respiratory problems later. As one of the most common symptoms of cough and cold, irregular sleep patterns and irritable behavior might follow you or your children. So, here we are to tell you how to prepare a simple yet effective remedy for cough and cold right at home. The main ingredient used in this cough remedy is borage leaf. This leaf can easily be grown at home in a small pot. While the other ingredients used in this recipe are also readily available in your kitchen. So rush to your kitchen and prepare this easy recipe for cough and cold. This cough syrup or kashaya can be given to both adults and kids. Beginning with the recipe, here's what you will need. 4 to 5 Indian borage leaves, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of turmeric, 3/4 teaspoon lemon juice, 3/4 teaspoon ginger juice, and 5 to 6 leaves of basil. To begin with the procedure, take a pan and add 1 cup of water. Once the water heats up, add 4 to 5 borage leaves. Borage leaves that are used as the primary ingredient in this cough syrup are thick and juicy and known for being an amazing cure for cough and cold. This concoction will help greatly for reducing the cough, phlegm or mucus in the chest while providing ease in breathing and lowering fever. Then add a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is another spice that helps remove the mucus that clogs the respiratory tract, acts as an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent and proves to be a solid cure for cough and cold. 5 to 6 leaves of basil. Tulsi is a medicinal herb that helps to relieve congestion, increase immunity, and helps your body to fight against the bacteria present inside. Boil the mixture for 5 to 8 minutes until you get the aroma. Now let the mixture cool down and transfer it into a bowl. After this, add 3/4 teaspoon ginger juice. Ginger is among the traditional spices which is used for cough, cold and fever. It also helps reduce the phlegm and helps you breathe easily. Adding ginger juice to this solution kills the bacteria in the system and clears your throat to give you relief. 3/4 teaspoon lemon juice. Lemon juice is used in this concoction since it is rich in vitamin C, helps to fight the disease effectively. And 1 teaspoon honey. Honey helps to soothe the throat as it has high amounts of antioxidants that help boost your immunity. Honey and lemon, when consumed together, give the best results for cough and cold. Mix all the ingredients well. The combination of tulsi, honey makes you feel refreshed. For best results, you can add more fresh tulsi leaves while you're boiling the solution. Or you can also directly chew onto the tulsi leaves. And then transfer this into a cup. Thinking about the consumption, this cold relief tonic must be taken once in the morning and at the night. If the cold is severe, then you can drink this during afternoon too. For about 2 days, having this drink when hot offers best results. And children above 5 years of age must drink 10 milliliters of this solution every morning and evening, while adults should stick to half a cup of this portion twice a day. If you like this remedy, then like, share and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.